BMW Concept i4 shows how electric mobility is about to arrive in the core of the BMW brand. BMW i4 is sexy, fast, elegant. It is everything that the BMW customer is expecting from us, and it happens to have zero emission. The design of the BMW Concept i4, I think, transmit the fact that it's a zero emission vehicle, so it's an exceptionally clean design, but it also showcases everything that we want to express in a BMW. It is dynamic, even when it's standing still. It is very precise and sharp, and as such, I think it expresses our new form language really well. The concept car really shows our intent for the production car. So all the themes that you see on this concept vehicle are the themes that we're really working on. And I think you will find that the production car will be very close to what you see here now. What I like about the exterior design of the Concept i4 is that it's extremely clean and yet very strong in character. And that's exactly where we want to go with the BMW brand in the years to come. Well, the interior of the Concept i4, I think, has some big news. We have completely reinterpreted the BMW typical cockpit now with this curved screen.
The BMW Concept i4 has fantastic proportions. And it's very important that we give it a very strong character. And all together with a lot of attention to detail. In the interior, the curved display is a very elegant interpretation of the typical BMW driver orientation. Overall, it shows our approach to sustainability in a very charming way. The exterior paint of this car, we call it frozen light copper. It expresses a very modern and very technical, but at the same time a very elegant color, and underlines this very specific character of this car. And with the blue accents in front, side and rear, we underline our very confident approach to sustainability. In the interior of the BMW Concept i4, our biggest highlight is the curved display, our new interpretation of the typical BMW driver orientation. And as this is the main focus of the driver, we try to reduce the rest of the car to minimum. So less switches and big gestures with very high quality materials and high quality details.